Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see why compound assignment operator in Java doesn't require casting. Let's see with an example. Let's say for example, I have an integer variable x whose value is 3, right? Now, let's try to add something to x. Let's say for example, I add some 2 to x, okay? And then let's actually display the value of x after adding 2 to it, right? So we can see the value output as 5, right? Fine. Now let's actually see the equivalent of this expression using compound assignment operator. Okay. This is how we write the compound assignment operator, right? And this is very much equivalent to the above expression. Now let's see the output. So the output is same 5, right? So let's take another example now. I'm going to add a double value to x now. And you can see a compilation error, and it says that the required type is integer but provided is double. So we are trying to add a double value to it. And in Java, we know that there is an implicit conversion from higher data to type to a lower data type, but the vice versa is not true. So as there could be some loss of data, and which needs the explicit casting mention, right? So how do we resolve this compilation error is we just need to cache this into integer, right? Now let's see the output. So we can see the output as 7. Probably we might be thinking that the value should be 7.6, but we explicitly like converting the output to integer value. So there was some loss of data, but we got the output as 7, right? So let's see the equivalent of the above expression using compound assignment operator now again. And this time, surprisingly, we are not getting any compilation issues, right? We didn't get any compiler error. Now let's see the output. And you can see the output is also 7. But if you observe, we didn't mention any explicit casting here, but still we got the same output as we got earlier using the above expression, right? So this is because when we use the compound assignment operator in Java, the casting is done implicitly. And this is clearly mentioned in Java documentation. And this is what it says. When a compound assignment expression of the form E1 operator equal to E2, this is equivalent to expression E1 equal to operator applied between E1 and E2, and it is typecasted to the type data type T. So you can see T is the type of E1, except that E1 has to be evaluated only once, and E1 is the expression which is on the left hand side, right? So this is what it says in the documentation, Java documentation, and this is the reason why we don't need any explicit typecasting when we use the compound assignment expression. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.